Welcome to ZenithAKS, where money, growth, and freedom meet. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful saving and budgeting hacks that can transform the way you handle money. These tips are simple, practical, and anyone can start using them right away. Let's get into it. Hack number 1, the 50-30-20 rule. This is a classic budgeting method. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, bills, and groceries. 30% goes to wants, like dining out or entertainment. And the last 20% goes straight to savings or debt repayment. This method keeps your spending balanced and ensures you're always saving. Hack number 2, pay yourself first. Most people spend their money and save what's left. Instead, flip the script. As soon as you get paid, move a portion into savings, even if it's small. This builds the habit of saving automatically without thinking about it. Hack number 3, use separate accounts. Create a dedicated account just for savings and keep it separate from your spending account. When your savings are out of easy reach, you're less tempted to dip into them. It also gives you a clear picture of how much you're really saving. Hack number 4, track every expense. For 1 month, write down or use an app to track every single rupee or dollar you spend. You'll be shocked at how small daily purchases, like coffee or snacks, add up. Once you see the numbers, it's easier to cut back on wasteful spending. Hack number 5, automate your bills and savings. Set up automatic transfers and payments. This way, your savings grow without effort and you never miss a due date, avoiding late fees. Automation makes your budget run on autopilot. Hack number 6, the 24-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, the impulse will pass and you'll save the money instead of spending it. This one hack can save you hundreds every year. Hack number 7, set financial goals. Saving without a goal can feel boring, but when you save for something specific, like an emergency fund, a vacation, or future investments, it becomes exciting. Clear goals give purpose to your money and keep you motivated. To wrap it up, remember these 7 hacks. The 50-30-20 rule, pay yourself first, separate accounts, track expenses, automate savings, the 24-hour rule, and setting financial goals. Start with just 1 or 2 of these, and over time, they'll completely change your financial game. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical money tips, and share it with a friend who wants to get better with money. This is ZenithAKS, your guide to money, growth, and freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.